Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're making a North Carolina style pulled pork. We're going to make this pork in our Instapot. In North Carolina, they have different kinds of pulled pork. You'll find one kind in East Carolina, you'll find another kind in West Carolina, but today we're going to just make North Carolina pulled pork. First, I'm going to start by covering my pork pieces in a dry rub that I've created, and then I'm going to cover that in a nice vinegar-based, sort of liquidy-based vinegar sauce. After that, we're going to put that in our Instapot, and then once we're done, you're going to see that that meat is going to shred so good. After that, we'll be able to put it on a sandwich. We can eat it by itself. We can cover it with coleslaw. We can do whatever we like. What kind of pulled pork do you all like? Let me know below before we get started. First, we're going to take our spice rub and we're going to put it over our pork pieces. North Carolina style pulled pork made right in your Instapot. It shreds so nicely. It's so soft. Let's look at it. Bam. Oops. Either way, put it on a sandwich, eat it by itself, top it with coleslaw. Until next time, bye.